Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and over the last couple of years we've seen a number of new smartphones with multiple different camera modules on the back. And a lot of them now feature incredible amounts of zoom thanks to newly designed periscope style zoom cameras. So about a week ago, Chris went out with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, the Oppo Find X2 Pro and the Huawei P30 Pro to compare them. Now instead of telling you which one is which, I'm just going to label them A, B and C. And at the end you can comment below and tell us which one you think is the best overall based on all the photos you've seen, whether they be wide angle or zoomed in ones or even nighttime ones. So without further ado, let's dive in. So those are all your daytime mode ones. Now we're going to switch to night mode. Again, they'll be labelled A, B and C to represent each of the three different phones. So there you have it, there's a collection of comparison photos for you. Now for those of you curious, A was the Oppo Find X2 Pro, B was the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and that leaves C, which was the Huawei P30 Pro. So let us know in the comments below which you thought was the best overall. If you want to see more videos like this, please do hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter, and I'll see you again soon.